Alright, let's start with the hood.
Okay.
I'll scrape the rust here. Look at this rust. It's really bad.
I know. We need to start with a wire brush.
The rust on this door is really bad.
Yes, and the windows are so grimy.
Let's get to work. This bolt is completely rusted.
Yes, and the hoses are brittle.
We'll need a rust remover.
Look, the rust is showing through.
Yeah, it's working. Keep wiping the edges. This grime is really stuck in here.
I know, but the washer is helping.
Almost there.
Aim for the lower groove.
Got it. The rust is coming off.
Yes, now the inner edge.
On it. Start on the chassis rails.
Okay, it's working. Watch the runoff. Now the exhaust pipes.
Got it. Looks much better. Alright, let's lift it steady.
Okay, I'm ready.
Watch the rust.
Got it.
This bolt's really stuck. Careful.
Got it. Pull it forward slowly.
Look at the rust underneath. It's crumbling. Look at the rust on this edge.
Yeah, and the seals are brittle.
We'll treat the corrosion first.
This dashboard is really cracked and grimy.
Yeah, and this wood trim is faded.
Let's clean the vents.
See the sparks? It's working.
Yes, the rust is coming off. This rust is deep. Keep it steady.
Yeah, the metal's getting smoother.
Good, just a bit more here. This rust is really thick.
Yeah, but it's working. Look.
Good. Keep the angle steady.
Got it.
Cut deeper here to get all the rust.
Got it. The sparks are flying.
Perfect. The edge looks clean now. Patch is aligned. Go ahead.
Got it. Starting the weld.
Looks solid. Good work. Keep the pressure even.
Got it. Looks better already.
Yes, the dust is settling.
Almost done. This side is looking really smooth now.
Yes, the solvent is working well.
Let's finish this panel. These welds look solid. A clean run.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. Ready for primer.
Good. Let's prep the fenders. Starting the rear fender now.
Okay, I'll do the hood.
Watch the mist.
Got it. The seam looks good.
Yes, one more pass.
Looks even. This scratch here needs more filler.
Applying bar now. Watch the pressure.
Looks good. Move to the next one.
First coat is going on smoothly.
Yes, the metallic sheen is perfect.
Weld seams are blending in well. Starting the top edge. Keep it steady.
Got it. The mist is light.
Good. The reflections are perfect.
Almost done.
The paint looks good. It's settling nicely.
Yes, the heat is doing its job.
Let's check the hood alignment. Move slowly. Check for the nibs.
Yes, the surface is leveling nicely.
Good. Keep the strokes even.
Start with the fenders. Work in circles.
Okay, the door next. It's getting glossy.
Yes, the shine is coming through.
This section looks better. Keep the pressure even.
Yes, the reflection is clear now. Almost done.
Good. One more pass. The rims look flawless after the polish.
Yes, the alignment is spot on.
Perfect. Let's check the tires. This side is coming along nicely.
Yes, the texture is really improving.
Almost done here.
Me too.
This chrome is gleaming now.
Yes, and the buttons are spotless.
Check the switches now.
All clear and functional.
This valve is clean. Check the hose.
Okay, this new one fits perfectly.
Good. Now tension the belt.
Done.
Look at these reflections. Perfect polish.
Yes, the textures are incredible.
A flawless finish. Door alignment looks good.
Yes, fender is flush.
Hood next. Check the alignment on this trim.
Yes, it's perfect. Now for the headlights.
The glass is spotless. Control arm and bushings are perfect.
Good. Tires are aligned, even gaps.
Check the rear exhaust mounts.
They're secure.
This side is clean. Check the chrome.
Looks perfect. Almost done.
Great. Ready for display. Check the front alignment.
Okay, and I'll polish the grille.
Looks good. Let's finish the wheels.
The lens is getting clearer. Great job.
The chrome looks perfect.
Yes, it's gleaming. A perfect finish.
This section is almost done.
Yes, it's starting to gleam.
Just a bit more on the mesh.
On it.
Let's get this mirror perfectly aligned.
Yes, the reflection is clear now.
Good. Now for the final polish.
It's flawless.
This seal is looking dusty.
Yes, the rear one too.
Wipe it down gently.
Looks much better now.
Let's make this spotless.
Yes, slow and steady.
Perfect. No streaks.
Looks brand new. This side is almost done.
Okay, I'll finish the vents.
Perfect.
Apply conditioner evenly to bring out the rich color.
Yes, and the seat belts are now clean and taut.
This rim is almost done.
Great. I'll finish the tire.
Hoses are clean and flexible.
Yes, and the metal is spotless. Belts are tensioned properly.
Perfect. Engine's firing up smoothly.
Good. Check the belt tension.
Looks perfect. No issues.
Agreed. Ready for the next.
This side is clear now.
Okay, I'll finish this part.
Perfect. We're done. The paint is flawless now.
Yes, the reflection is perfect.
The chrome is great too. See the polish on this handle? Perfect.
Yes, and the trim is flawless.
The leather seats are flawless.
Yes, and the dashboard trim gleams.
Steering wheel is perfect. The chrome trim is looking perfect now.
Yes, and the paint is flawless.
The wheels shine beautifully. The front panels are aligned perfectly.
Yes, and the chrome is gleaming.
Let's check the rear.
On it.
Alignment on the front wheels is spot on.
Perfect. And the chrome trims are flawless.
Agreed. It's ready. This finish is incredible. The paint is perfect.
Yes, it looks flawless. A great result.
Wipe from the edges inward.
Okay, this looks much better.
Almost done. This chrome is coming up nicely.
Yes, the reflections are perfect.
One more pass should do it. The alignment is spot on.
Yes, and the polish is flawless.
Let's check the brakes next. This valve cover is shining up nicely.
Yes, and these hoses are perfectly supple.
Almost done. Check the chrome alignment on the hood.
It looks perfect. The wheels are rolling smooth.
Good. Let's check the fenders.